Good morning, guys. So today we're going to Wasaga Beach. Anyway, so I'm going with Shanika and her family. You guys are gonna get to see Teddy today. So we're just packing up the car. Yeah, so we're gonna head on out now. Everybody's here making their snaps and stuff. Woo! Somebody's dog is not happy today. Anyway, so we're gonna be leaving now. We're supposed to be meeting everybody else for 8:30, and right now it's 8:47. So it is hot, sunny, everything. So hopefully it's a good day. It says that it's supposed to rain today, but hopefully not. So yeah.
Hey, it's a hot girl summer. Hey.
Oh. Okay guys, so we've arrived at Wasaga Beach. Woo! OG Teddy. So tell the people it's your birthday tomorrow.
So it's my birthday tomorrow. Big
Lord class.
Big 29.
Woo!
My birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
One of them there. My favorite people there.
Okay, let me back up. Hold on. Let me see you guys. Damn, show me what's going on. Okay, Kiara, what's going on here? Damn.
Does it show piso?
So Shanika's tired, guys. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna get back to you guys once things start happening, or once things start get going. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what's going on. So right now we're just gonna be grilling up some food and getting some drinks and stuff, and yeah, enjoy myself.
Angel, give me a pass me that water bottle.
Big up my friends YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Enough vlogs. Summer just started. It's a hot girl summer if you didn't know, so now you know. Definitely a hot girl summer. It is so nice out here, guys. So we just finished taking a bunch of pictures. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna post them before this vlog even goes up, so I'll probably put it right here. I feel like I'm looking pretty tired right now. I don't even know what day it is. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, so today is Wednesday now. I haven't vlogged since last week. Right now I'm going to be going to Party City. My friend Roxanne from my last video. It's her 30th birthday party on Saturday. So we're going to all help her out with getting ready for her party. So I'm going to be getting a few decorations and stuff at Party City, so I'm going to take you guys with me. And also I'm getting myself but another Alex drawer. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself another Alex drawer for my room because I thought that one Alex drawer would have been enough. I need more storage, so yeah. And also I'm just finishing work, so if I look like real tired, that's why. Okay, so I am gonna head on over there right now. I should have been there already, but a bunch of unforeseen events had occurred, so now I'm on my way now. Yeah, so today's been a pretty okay day. I had work this morning at 7:45 and I finished not too long ago. I got back home and so now I'm on the road running my errands. Hopefully I can even come back in time to do laundry maybe, but who knows, let's see. So I'll see you guys in Party City. So I'm in Party City right now, guys. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna pick up. She said it's kind of tropical, but I don't want to make it too tacky, so yeah. So I'm just gonna show you guys kind of, I don't know. When I'm thinking tropical, I'm thinking like fresh and green, you know, white, beige, gold, and stuff like that. And she's turning 30, so I don't want it to be like comical looking. So I'm just gonna take a look around and then I'll show you guys what I pick out. guys, so what I got so far is this like fringy fake grass backdrop. So I got some like cups. It looks orange in the pictures, but really it's like a peach. And then I got these things that can be strung across the backyard fence because it's going to be outside, so these can be strung across the wall like it shows right here. Cute. And then also some of these little things that could be put on the table. I also got these just to decorate the table a little bit more. Some napkins, and then also like some more cutout pieces. Alright, so I think I got enough stuff. I'm just gonna go head over to the cash out again. These are the things that so basically it's the same stuff I showed you guys. I just added in some gold cups just to have extra cups. You could never have too much cups. Now for plates and stuff, I'm gonna go to the dollar store because they're way cheaper than here. So let's go. Okay, so I was gonna go over to Dollarama because it's literally just a few stores down, but I have to go to Ikea before they close. So I'm gonna just do Dollarama tomorrow but on my break. I do work near a Dollarama, so I'm just gonna go there on my break and grab some regular plates for her. So now we're gonna just head over to Ikea before they close, and I'm getting hungry. So yeah, let's hurry up over there. I'm so hungry right now, guys, and I'm trying to not buy like food on the road anymore. I have food cooked at home. I meal prepped actually so that I don't have to do anything when I come in from work, but honestly my mouth is watering, so I had to just buy some chips in Party City. Okay, I'm here. Okay guys, so I just got here. I'm gonna be walking in now. Hopefully I can find this drawer really quickly because I don't feel like looking around. With just my luck, as soon as I walk in, the Alex drawers are right at the cash out. So I'm just gonna pick it up and get out of here. Can you believe it is so hard for me to find a car right now? Ooh, usually they're just hanging around, but today, nope. Not when you need them. Quicker than I thought it was going to be. Literally as soon as I got in, the box for the Alex drawers were right at the door. So I think right now, because they have a sale going on for back to school, or like I don't know what it is, they have a sale going on with desks. So anybody buying a desk at Ikea, they're on sale right now. I think 15 or 20% off. So best time to get an Alex drawer because they're so damn expensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna go now. I'm kind of winded. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna do laundry, and then yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so I am here in Buffalo, so I'm gonna be showing you guys, well today I'm actually at an event that my boyfriend's sister is speaking at, so I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing today. Woo. So this is a women's empowerment brunch, so I'm pretty excited, and also I'm excited to see the panelists, to hear what they have to say. It's very exciting to be here, and like women empowering women, I love anything like this, so yeah. So beautiful, 10. So guys, look who we have here, 10, Slayed by 10. Woo! So what do you do?
So I'm a fashion designer and seamstress. I make custom clothing in Toronto.
Yes, girl. Ooh.
Birthday parties, baby showers.
So what do you got going on here? Wow, so beautiful. Well, you guys go check her out. I'll leave the name right here. Woo!
Good morning. Good morning, ladies. How's everybody doing today? Awesome.
I'm so excited, so honored, and super stoked to be here today. So for those that don't know who I am, my name is Ty Freeman. I am the organizer for Female Leaders 101. I'm also the founder of Fashion Forward and the owner of For the Awkward. I know it's kind of a lot, but we'll definitely break it down a little bit throughout our seminar here today. Hi ladies. You guys gotta talk to me though.
Hey, hi.
So my name is Zola Z. I'm a stylist, anything having to do with fashion connoisseur, image architect. I do everything having to do with constructing and curating images for you to sell your brand, whatever that may be. I love clothes. That's basically what I do. You can find me at Styles by Z on Instagram. Woo! Woo! It's Slade by 10. I'm a fashion designer and a seamstress, so I make custom gowns for your bridal wear, for prom, for parties, anything from swimsuits, all over, anything pretty much. And my, pardon? And what you're wearing. Oh, I'm wearing Slade by 10, of course. My Instagram is Slade by 10.
And I'm looking crazy. Today I'm going to have a picnic with me and my boyfriend. So if you hear any noise in the background, that's what it is. I just finished cooking all the food and packing all the snacks, so I'm just gonna get ready and we're gonna head out. But I'm gonna show you guys what we packed while I'm packing it. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys. Okay guys, so we just got to Trinity Bellwoods Park. Yeah, Trinity Bellwoods Park, and we're just gonna lay out our food and stuff now. We packed a lot of food for just the two of us, so yeah. But it's such a nice day to come because it's not too hot, not too breezy either, and it's not too crowded because this park can get very, very crowded. So we got a really nice spot, half in the shade, half not in the shade. So yeah. So guys, I made some spring rolls, I made quesadillas, chicken quesadillas for the both of us, and also some wings, and then we have our special adult drinks, some chips, and then some pico de gallo, some salad, cupcakes, and yeah, so we're just gonna honestly just dig right in. These were made perfect. You're gonna be like, I don't like it. Oh my god. So yeah, that's the only part about eating outside, guys. I don't like the bugs. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of our food and yeah, get back to you guys. Okay guys, so we are leaving now. The sun is going down and it's been like 3 hours, no? Almost going on to 4 hours. It was really, really relaxing out here. So anybody looking for something new to do, you know, with your friends or even your partner, maybe a picnic at the beach or the park, and yeah. So we just packed everything up. We're gonna head on out now. Oh, my phone is on there. So I got to finish majority of my drink, but we're gonna just basically chug it back now so that we don't have to walk with it. Yeah, so these little things that you guys see in here are those ice cubes. Yeah, reusable ice cubes. You have to cheers at me.
True.
Done, and we're ready to go. Okay, so we are back inside. We are just putting all the stuff away, like all the stuff that we brought with us. And honestly, that was like a really good relaxing thing to do. Like I said, go have a picnic with your friends or your partner. It's like something like that's really nice and calm and chill. Like it's a very good vibe. So we're just gonna settle down, watch some YouTube videos or like watch a movie, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, guys. This is number 2. Bye guys.